Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. How long should a practice session for a specific technical exercise be, and can I repeat that session during the same day? Here is a very straightforward technical question having to do with technical exercises and how to practice them best. And things are pretty clear-cut on this front. So, how long? Anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes. So 10, for some people it's too little, mostly because they cannot focus immediately and they need some warm-up period. 30 would be kind of pushing it. I would say 20 to 30 minutes would be ideal. So if you have a specific exercise that you want to practice it for 20 minutes per day, and then come back next day and practice it again. Now, let's move to the second part of the question. Can you repeat this multiple times during the day? Well, you could, but there's really no reason to. As I have mentioned in previous videos, we learn by strengthening the connections in our brains. I'm like vastly simplifying here. And to make these connections stronger, you need to have new myelin created in your brain. Again, I'm vastly oversimplifying here. I hope no neuroscientists ever watch this video, but this is the basic concept. Now, to get extra myelin in your brain, you need to go to sleep, you need to rest, so there is this new myelin going through your brain, and it strengthens the connection between the different dendrites in your brain. If you don't go to sleep, if you don't get this high quality rest, you cannot learn, you cannot develop your skill set. Now, you can memorize more stuff, but you cannot learn new stuff. So you cannot develop your skill set. So all in all, I would say there is no reason to do more than one practice session for a specific exercise per day. Now, if you have no other exercises that you are practicing at the time, that's a problem with your materials and with your coaching. So if you don't have anything else, yes, do it more, but it's not going to do anything bad. You're going to get slightly better, but this time that you're spending on this one exercise would be better put to use doing something else. So if you're practicing 4 hours a day and you spend 3 hours on one exercise, the problem here is that you don't have a good practice schedule, which is one of the first things that a decent coach will create for you. So this is not a problem of practicing, it's a problem with the rest of your guitar playing and guitar learning. Personally, I've had the best results when I practice things for 30 minutes per day, but once again, this is my personal recommendation. The range that seems to be the best is between 10 minutes to 30 minutes. So there you have it. Practice a technical exercise 10 to 30 minutes. You don't need to practice it again during the same day, practice it the next day. I hope this was a helpful answer, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep shredding and keep those questions coming. Bye-bye.